is my design, but we're not here together. Mirror, mirror, tell me who you see. Am I you or me? I can never remember. I found myself by losing hope. I lost my way to find a home. I hated myself to stay alive. Now I'm ready to face my disguise. I am locked within the box I built from the inside out, reassured by my doubt. I don't want this fucking codependent vice, but desperate measures come for desperate lives. I found myself by losing hope. I lost my way to find a home. I hated myself to stay alive. Now I'm ready to face my sick of wearing a mask, sick of hiding my face, sick of every motherfucker that is in my way, sick of digging for answers while you bury the truth. Fuck your method to my sadness, I will bury you. Dig! I will not become a figure of my mistakes. I will not become the mask that is not my face. You can't turn down anger, you can't silence pain. You will not put out the fire that burns in me, that burns in me. I sold myself to my disguise. I hid myself to stay alive.